4 people shot, 3 fatally in drive-by shooting in Dunkirk, East Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 4 people were shot, 3 fatally by gunmen during a drive-by attack in a section of East Kingston on Monday. Reports are that sometime around 11:30 a.m., a group of residents were gathered along a roadway in Dunkirk section of the community when heavily armed men drove up and opened gunfire. The men escaped in the area. An alarm was raised, and during a search of the area, 4 people were found suffering from what appears to be gunshot wounds. They were rushed to hospital where 3 of the individuals succumbed to their injuries. The police have since launched an investigation. The police have stated that a gang feud is behind this morning's murder of 3 men on Bray Street in Dunkirk, East Kingston. Commander of the Kingston Eastern Police Division, Superintendent Tommy Lee Chambers, says that the incident happened around 11 a.m. It's a gang conflict in the area. Men from 110, the Black Street Gang, they are in an internal conflict going on, he stated. Chambers says that the police are following several leads in their investigation. The police have so far identified one of the men only as Shaggy. Dunkirk is also known as McIntyre Villa. The incident came almost 3 days after the Commissioner of Police, Major General Anthony Anderson, led a tour of section of Dunkirk and other areas in the division. Today's incident is the latest in a series of individual shooting events that have resulted in multiple fatalities. The latest police data show that 1,038 murders in Jamaica for the period January 1st to September 30 this year, a 12% dip compared to the similar period of 2022. Links 007 TV will have a more comprehensive report to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.